Just got the kit in from Smart Moto on the pair valve delete kit. Gonna install it. Okay, so seat, gas tank, everything's off. This vacuum hose ran up underneath here to this T that I took out. So this T sits in there like that, and this hose plugs into this part of the T. This line here goes to your petcock, and that was plugged into this end, and then the short end was in the top of the carb here. So all I did was just take this whole T out, and so this will go into the petcock, and this hose will go directly into the top of your carb. So this whole piece is removed. It does give you the option to just remove this hose right here off that pair valve, and then cap this T with this here. You can put on there, but what's the point? You might as well take this hose off here, off the T that goes to your petcock, and plug directly into your carburetor instead of having this T with this capped and then this going into the top of your carb. Okay, next I took off this hose here. I just took a flathead, pushed that out because this is the hose that goes into your cylinder head here that needs to be capped. So I'm just going to remove this for now, get this out of the way, so I can pull out the rest of this hosing, this hose that runs up here, breather hose. Stop. This is 8 mil, guys. There. So this will just pull right out. I got this disconnected. Okay, so that's off, and then save all this stuff too, you know. So it's off there, and like I said in a previous video, now when you go to check your valve clearances here, those two rubber hoses aren't in your way, all this garbage. And then you can, there's another zip tie that you can use, adjustable one. I just have mine hanging here from the canister or charcoal canister. I save them here on the inside. So I'm going to take this off here, put it there. Okay, next I'm going to do that Allen head, so that just sits. Hold on here, I'll show you guys. Right there. This is that hose right here that I'm talking about. That's a 4 mil. So you just take that out and replace it right here with that plate for the kit. You just use the hardware that's on your bike. It didn't come with any other hardware besides this. Okay, stand by. Alright, so I misspoke. These are number 5 Allen head. This is all I use to get in there. Little extension. Okay, and then what you do, you got to kind of twist it and then pull it out the front here like that. Okay, set that there, and as you can see there, so I'll put that plate in to block that hole off. And you don't have to be Hercules here, guys. Like, I'm just doing this with my hand. These weren't in here very tight anyway. So just be careful. You don't, like I say, you don't want to be over tightening this crap here. That's just hand tight. We'll tighten that up. I'll put the fuel tank back on and everything and start up to make sure she sounds all right. Just put the tank back on. This hose here now is plugged directly into the top of the carb up there. There's no longer that T-valve. Put my vent hose back on the other side of my tank. Fuel line hose on. And this is no longer here, guys. Start her up, see if she works.